What's up everyone, I'm Ben from the SIU Outdoor program, and for Tech Tip Tuesday, I'm going to be teaching you how to tie the perfect figure eight for our climbing gym and our adventure trips. Now, this isn't going to teach you how to tie a figure eight, as there's lots of other videos that detail that online already, but what it is going to do is teach you how to tie it perfectly. So the first thing that we're going to do to get the perfect length of rope is I like to go arm's length to the opposite shoulder. Now this isn't going to work for everyone because we all have different arm lengths, different heights, so I recommend experimenting and finding some way to measure it so that it's perfect for you every time. Now I'm going to tie my figure eight. If you have a harness, you're going to pass it through your two hard points. If you don't, you can just tie it around something like a table leg or literally anything. So now that we've followed through our hard points, it's time to follow through the knot. We're going to follow through on the narrow side of the knot, start hard, finish easy. So we're going to push this side over, go through the narrow side, pull all of our slack through as we go, follow around the knot, under, around again, and then back out the other side. And then you just fold that end part over, and you pull all your slack through, and you should end up with a perfect figure eight. You can tell it's perfect because you have 5 sets of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The loop at the bottom is the same size as your belay loop and you can't fit a fist through it. And your tail is approximately 6 to 8 inches, or 1 shaka. So when you're practicing this, like I said, you can use a rope or you can use a headphone cable or charger. Sometimes you have to modify it a little bit to make it work with whatever length of rope you have, but the part with the follow through you should be able to do with anything. And on that note, I hope everybody's doing well and staying healthy. Hope the term's going well, and we will see you in the next video.